Hello everyone, welcome again to Laysee's Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you my homemade chicken chop with black pepper sauce recipe. Today I'm using the whole chicken leg for my chicken chop. There are two sections of the bones to remove. One is the upper thigh and the other one is the drumstick. First, make a slit on the whole chicken from the thigh to the end of the drumstick. Then, get back to the upper thigh and slit both sides of the meat all the way through the bone until you reaches the end of the bone. Snap this section into two and continue to debone it using your scissors. Next, let's do the drumstick section. Do the same using the scissors to slit both sides all the way along the bone until you reaches the end of the drumstick bone. Keep on slitting. Slit it as clean as possible. When you reach the end of the bone, you just snip it away. That's all. Well, actually I am doing it quite slow because my scissors is not very sharp. Just continue to cut it until you reach the end. Yes? Cut it. That's all. Next, let's slice into a thinner slice so that it is easier and faster to cook. Very careful. Let's prepare the ingredient for marinating. You will need shallots, garlic and ginger. Pound them until roughly fine. You don't have to pound them until they are very super fine. It's okay. Today I'm not using ginger because I do not have ginger, but ginger is very important in this ingredient. They help to tender the meat. Ingredients for marination are pounded shallots and garlic, oyster sauce, soya sauce, white pepper and sugar. Mix until well combined. Set aside to marinate for at least 2 hours. Steam your sweet corn for 15 minutes. Let us start preparing the black pepper sauce gravy. These are the ingredients that I am using. First, heat up a saucepan as usual using a low-medium heat. Add in butter, oyster, tomato sauce, salt and sugar. Constantly stirring while waiting for the butter to melt. Keep on stirring. Stir a bowl of corn flour solution and add in black pepper into the saucepan. Mix them well until they dissolve. Remember to continuously stir it because corn flour solution will thicken. I would like to add another teaspoon of black pepper powder. And not to forget to add in my favorite LEA and PERRINS sauce. Add in a few dashes. Taste and adjust salty and sweetness according to your own preference. You may add a little more water, let's say another 100 ml. Anyway, it depends on how dilute or concentrate you want the gravy to be. It is up to individual's preference. Switch off the heat and transfer into a bowl. My homemade black pepper sauce for my chicken chop is ready. Should you want the gravy to be more dilute, you can add up another 100 ml of plain water and reheat it in a saucepan. It's up to individual's preference, but I like this consistency. In a wok, add in sufficient cooking oil for frying. Heat until it is hot and then add in your french fry. Spread it evenly and do not flip until a minute or so. The reason is because if you flip it, it might break into smaller pieces. This is an important tip. After a minute or so, you may start to flip. Constant flipping will help it to fry evenly. Fry until they are evenly golden brown. and dish it up. Set it aside. I am using an iron cast non-stick pan to fry my chicken chop. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil using medium-low heat. Add in the chicken meat, skin side down, and close the lid to fry. Be careful not to burn the skin. Keep flipping to ensure evenly fried. For a couple of minutes at medium-high heat in a frying pan. Control your heat. After each flipping, I will close the lid to prevent from splatting. And this way, it also helps to cook faster. Using a wooden chopstick, prick it to check it if it is ready. It is ready to dish up. It really looks juicy, moist, and tender. That's what we are looking for. Thank you for your watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you again until my next coming video. Bye!